Hi, this is Sheri, and this time we'll see how to make a kitchen trivet. A trivet for holding hot kitchenware can be simple or intricate. I'm going to create a wooden one with a complex pattern in a way that you don't need to use a pattern and still create your own design. This becomes possible when following simple geometrical shapes. So let's see. I'm drawing my own design to avoid using a pattern and make it unique as well as match your kitchen style easily. By just keeping in mind simple things, you can make a creative design. First of all, I'm drawing and filling the space with squares in a symmetric way over a sheet of paper that I can later glue on a block of the same size. As for the thickness, around 3 cm or 1 inch will look best. Ideally, glue in spray will be just more practical and so quicker to make. Pierce every shape you want removed, and you can start cutting using a scroll saw. To remove the paper, you can polish or use mineral spirits. I'm rounding the edges at this point, and finally I'll apply a little of wood stain for the finish.